There is this new app they just launched few days ago, and this app is literally paying you $1 2 cents just for live streaming for 3 hours every blessed day. Yes, when you go live streaming for 3 hours, they pay you $1 2 cents for 7 days. If you find this interesting, like what you want to do, watch this video to the end, and I promise you, you are not going to regret watching it. So, welcome to this channel. My name is Rachel, and on this channel, which is Make Money with Rachel, we talk about how to make money online and so many more. Anything you can earn that will profit you through just using your mobile phone. That has been said. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to this channel. It means a whole lot to me. And if this is the first time coming across my video, please do well to subscribe to this channel. It means a whole lot to me. And also like and comment and share so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people that also want to make money online through their mobile phone. Back to this interesting and loving app that has just been launched few days ago. It's a video live streaming app. It is not a task app, and you can also call it a task app because they are going to be paying you $1 2 cents every 3 hours you spend every day on the app for 7 days. What you need to know before you get to register on this app, how to navigate yourself around on this app, I'm going to be showing you. So follow me. Let me show you the interface of the app, and how you do everything you need to do on the app to make sure you get rewarded every 3 hours. So this is the app. Haka. So this is the interface of the app. As you can see many people are already live streaming. They just launched it a few days ago, and people are not really much on it like that. So if you come across this video now, all you just have to do is to rush down to go and download it yourself. So yeah, this is your page. This is your page, your profile. Here, when you click on the link I'll be dropping in the description of on this video, it will take you to where you see sign up with Google, sign up with phone number, and the rest. Just click sign up with Google. So you go and click on the email you want to use to sign up on this app. And immediately when you sign up, if you are a male, click on mail. And if you are no note, if you're a male, this opportunity is not for you. It is for female only. Yes. So since you are female, you just register as female, because if you're a male, if you click on it, you are not going to be earning anything on the app. So it is mainly for our girls and girls alone. So that has been said. This is your profile, and this is to become most. You have to click on this. You can see, let's read together. Go live anytime. Host audio video rooms 247 with up to 20 speakers. Means like if you are familiar with Charmet or MateMate, you can also get familiar. You're not going to be stressing yourself also on this app because they are similar. So to join agency and also to start live streaming on this app, you have to join agency. So this is where you're going to be putting your ID. I'm using one of my girls um, page to do this video so that you can also see it for yourself, because if I'm using my own, you're not going to understand. So this is where you click on and you paste the ID, and once you paste the ID, you just click on mark, and that is it on that. So make sure you put a catchy and not too sexy picture so that you get verified on time. So this is where the withdrawal is. So once you reach the minimum withdrawal, which is $10, you click on click on your country, you select your country. Let's look for, you can see Nigeria is also here, is already here already. Let me you can see Nigeria is here. If you click on Nigeria, you can see add a payment method. You can see OPay, you can see PanPay and Bank NG. And so which means you can use your OPay and your PanPay to withdraw. So this is very, very simple to navigate. All you just have to do is just go down to the description of this video, go and download it and start working on it. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section of this video. And if you want more details on it, you can join our Telegram or group or our WhatsApp group, because I am more active in replying there for any issues you may be having concerning any apps I'm uploading on my channel. So that has been said on that. Thank you for watching. If you are watching to this, if you watch to this end, you are really one of my fans and I really appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.